Trinity United Church of Christ. Walking, talking, and living our faith. Join us for the annual church-wide revival starting Sunday, July 8th for all 3 worship services with Reverend Dr. F. Bruce Williams, Senior Pastor of Bates Memorial Baptist Church of Louisville, Kentucky. And our revival week continues Monday, July 9th until Wednesday, July 11th at 7 p.m. every evening with Reverend Dr. Marcus Cosby, Senior Pastor of Willer Avenue Baptist Church of Houston, Texas, and Reverend Dr. Howard John Wesley, Pastor of Alfred Street Baptist Church in Alexandria, Virginia. Don't forget about our Trinity United Church of Christ Farmers Market. It opens Saturday, July 14th at 8:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. every Saturday. It is located in the south parking lot at 95th and Eggleston. For more information about the events at Trinity United Church of Christ, visit our website at www.trinitychicago.org. Find us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We are Trinity United Church of Christ.